to finish the meat off, I'm going to take a meat out of this vessel into a shallow tray. That's the skin part there, and you can see it's fairly soft. So we're going to put that now in the oven for another 15 minutes to get nice crunch. It's dark in color because of seasoning. Now we're going to make gravy out of what we got left here. Make gravy, we're going to use a jug. Pick up these couple onions, parsnip, carrot, and these little cloves of garlic as well. And then I'm going to transfer this nice juice into the jug. Now in this jug we're going to add a bit of boiling water, because it's going to be very well seasoned. And then with a stick mixer, just bring it all down into nice liquid. Once mixed up, please taste it. If it's too much seasoned, add some water. Now that is perfect. This is a perfect homemade gravy.